A metal sphere is melted and poured into a cylinder mold. The shape changes completely, so which quantity stayed the same, surface area or the space the metal fills? For the same metal at the same density, mass is conserved. And for a full solid, that means volume is conserved. Surface area is free to change when the shape changes. Write the old volume and the new volume as formulas, then set them equal. A sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. A cylinder is pi r squared h, whatever pair the question names. Pi appears on both sides and is never the unknown. Cancel it before you expand anything. Recasting arithmetic is almost always an integer after that cancel. The metal is reshaped, so total surface almost always changes. Equating surface areas instead of volumes is a different, wrong problem. A metal sphere of radius 6 cm is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of radius 4 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Volume conserved, 4/3 pi r cubed equals pi r squared h. Cancel pi on both sides immediately. Substitute the radii. 6 cubed is 216. 4/3 of 216 is 288. On the other side, 4 squared is 16 times h. Solve for height and name the wrong move. 288 over 16 is 18. So the cylinder height is 18 centimeters. The trap is equating total surface area, TSA for short, instead of volumes, or forgetting to cancel pi and drowning in decimals. Height 18 centimeters. The trap. Equating TSA instead of volume, or keeping pi and losing the integer. Cancel pi first, then any common factors in the numbers, then solve. Sphere into cylinder, a solid into smaller solids, n cones into one sphere. Every recasting item is the same volume equation. Melting and recasting conserve volume only. Cancel pi, solve for the missing length. Surface is free to change. That closes the mensuration playlist. Open the ExamMaster app and drill the full recasting set for SSC CGL.